Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Next up is this 2006 single cab long bed Silverado. It's in for a bolt-in C-notch. I'm going to bolt it in, and as well, I'm going to weld each side on. That way it's got a little more strength, a little less flex. I gotta make the templates for it. I'm gonna make some templates out of paper. But first, we need to get the rear wheels off and get it on jack stands. We're not taking the bed off. We don't have to on this one. All right, let's go ahead and get started and get this one knocked out. Templates ready to go. I'll go ahead and grab one of these and show you. This one's actually the opposite way, but yeah. Bam. You set that right there, that's up there at the edge, and that gives you room all the way around. So now I can use this template to mark where we need to cut out. It's gonna be tight to see anything in there, but I'll do the best I can to get you guys in here with me to show you what we're doing. And if I can't get you in there, I'll stop every step of the way and show you. Both sides are cut out. I need to drill all the holes. Like I said, both sides are cut out. Rounded the top edges with the drill, as you saw, so they're curved to go with the shape of the notches. You don't want a sharp 90. Those have more potential to crack. I need to clean up the sides on each side, set them up in place, mark where I need to clean up on the frame, and then I need to mark all the holes. Drill out the holes, set it in place, get all the bolts in, tighten it down, weld it up, throw some paint on it, and it's done. So we'll go ahead and get started on that next part. Friendly reminder, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Don't forget to ring that bell. That way you get notified on all the new projects or updates I got coming out. I post a video weekly. Notches are all bolted on. Bump stops are in. I just need to give that thing some nice fat welds on the sides. On the other side, you saw, or maybe you didn't notice, I had it all tightened down, and then I had to loosen it up. I accidentally bolted my fire blanket in between there. So like I said, I'll go ahead and throw some welds on each side. Then I'll paint it. We'll put the wheels back on and it's done. Get this one out of here. 1 day turnaround. Don't be afraid to hit me up if you need some work done. I'll get back and show you these welds before we paint it. Now that that's all welded up, I can go ahead and paint everything, put the wheels back on, and we can get this thing out of here. Told you I was going to show you these welds. Other side's a little dirty. Gonna clean it up. And like I said, we're gonna paint them. No, we ain't got no problems. Paint that little spot that I cleaned up to ground to. Bolts are all tight. We'll paint it, get the wheels on, get it down from the jack stands. And I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, that's it. Got everything on, torqued, painted, tight, whatever you want to call it. You already know. You saw we had to tag it. You know that's what we're gonna do. You know I'm gonna put my name everywhere because I'm proud of it. All right, that's gonna be it for this one. If you've stuck around this long, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell, turn on notifications. That way you get notified when new content comes out. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.